Since the late 1980s, ROE Dental Laboratory has been a Valplast certified laboratory. Long before it was even a product on the market, we were fabricating it before it became popular. Valplast is a very unique product. It's extremely flexible. In fact, it bends like a credit card. It is guaranteed for life. In fact, it comes with unique paperwork for every case. But one of the nice things about Valplast is it's very durable. It's a nylon thermoplastic. So the material is a thermoplastic, pressure-injected material. Actually, we can also print it these days. But mostly it's injected, but it has nylon fibers that give it incredible strength, and so strong that lifetime warranty is actually warranted. Every case you'll find, as long as there's some undercut, will snap into place. Patients love these because they're flexible, they're comfortable. There are some contraindications, where metal fits that need. But for the most part, Valplast works for most partially edentulous situations. This is a very popular technique, which is to just make a Nesbit, because often you don't have the undercut necessary, and because it has a lot of high strength, but snap. They always snap into place. This is also a nice option. You can see the Valplast clasps are very aesthetic, right? They're kind of difficult to see when they're in the mouth. It's one of our goals is to make sure that the prosthetics are seated with high aesthetics and really kind of get lost in the mouth, right? Not to know that you're wearing a prosthetic. But Valplast has a unique ability to go high into the undercut. Normally you have to use a wrought wire laser welded hook to go into into the undercut to keep it out of the smile zone. But with Valplast, it's a little bit bulkier, a little thicker, but it's high, and it also covers a little bit of the tissue and just grabs some of the undercut, so it always snaps in. It's a wonderful product, and order it with just conventional records, either analog records or even today digital records. So that is Valplast.